did a bit of research on the web and saw a few disaster stories here and there and things catching fire. So when it comes to spending money on things like that, I tend to err on the side of caution. I'd rather pay for quality and know what I'm getting. And I guess more reliable that way. I was also looking for a local installer. You get a lot of deals on the TV, but I've heard from a few people that have gone that way that getting that service and whatever can be a bit of a problem. So I'd rather support local and know that I've got someone a phone call away if I need a hand. I did a lot of research, as I said. I mean, it's a bit of a financial outlay to get a system like this installed, so you want to make sure that you're well informed. I was surprised at how many of my bills came back in a credit and how much power I was producing. But in terms of the system itself, and I've had no issues in terms of function or reliability, so I'd say it's met or even exceeded my expectations. I think, well, with any purchasing decision like this, I think quality does matter. I think I've learnt myself in the past that if you try and save a few dollars, it can come back and bite you down the track. So you get what you pay for, it's like anything. And when you're investing in a significant system like this that you hope to last for 25, 30 years, the upfront cost for me, having that peace of mind that the quality is there and the reliability is going to be there, it pays for itself. Knowing that if something does go wrong, you've got someone local, you know them, and you put a name to the face, who can help you out or get you the assistance you need, for me was probably the biggest factor. And also just supporting local business. I think, living in the area, it's important to support our own and help the local community.